Okay, so what we got here is the Iveco Daily 2017. It's installed with the StarLine M66 v2 system. Now, if you do not have the StarLine tag, you cannot drive this vehicle.
Is there something else I can help with?
As you can see, if a thief tries to steal the vehicle because they don't have the StarLine tag, they will not be able to turn it on. The system will call you to let you know someone's trying to steal the vehicle.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So it lets you know someone's trying to turn the car on, but obviously they can't because they don't have the tag. So I'm just going to disarm the system. So I've got the tag here to disarm it, and now I can turn the vehicle on as normal. System comes with a full smartphone app included and tracking included as well, and you can also remote immobilize the vehicle if required. If you want this installed on yours, see the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.